What's up guys, so I bought this because I've been trying to find a screwdriver with a tri head or a tri screw. So let's check it out. First let's check the back. Screwdriver, position, tweezer, suction cup. Oh, here it is. Wait, no, that's not it. Triangular opening pick. It's gotta be the tri one. Triangle, yeah, there you go. That's probably here somewhere. I mean, might as well buy the whole set, just in case. And this one right here is where you could probably use that to open the, like some gadgets have the screw that's like has that polygon looking thing. Let's check it out. See, this is what I need right here, the triangle one. Let's check it. Here it is. I don't know how small I need, but this is what I need. Oops, careful not to lose it. Kind of stuck in there. There we go. So yeah, this is the tri head instead of the 4 sides. It's got like a, see, it's like 3 sides to it. That's a tri screw. I need that to open some of the gadgets I use, just to clean it. We'll see. Gonna mess around with like the gadgets. And here's what I'm talking about. This one's gonna be useful for some of the other ones. Like, I don't know how small it is. It might be this one right here. Well, I'll check it and see how small it is. Alright, there's a lot of useful stuff here, and here's the screwdriver itself. Removable head. Alright. I was trying to see which one has the tri, and this one's the one that has it. There's the other one, but I don't think it's complete. So Hyper Tough 7-piece electronic repair kit. Useful, for opening phones, and I don't think you can use it. No, not the modern phones, but like the older gadgets with screws in them, like Game Boys and PlayStations and Xbox. You can also open a Wii or whatever has screws in them. So I'm gonna try to see which one I need. Alright, there you go.